Hi there, welcome to CRO Fundamentals. I'm Manaswini and I'm from Freshworks Academy. In this video, I'm going to be walking you through the basics of CRO, the benefits, and some definitions that you need to know to get started. Let's say you're running a retail store. You have people coming in and going out. Some may make a purchase while others just leave without spending money. To maximize sales, you may make some changes to your store, like improving the store layout, inventory levels, merchandising mix, and more. Now apply the same idea to an e-commerce website. Similar to the retail store, you have visitors. When one of these visitors makes a purchase, it's called a conversion. Broadly speaking, a conversion is every time a website visitor completes a desired action. The desired action can be buying a product, signing up for a trial, applying to your school, or even starting a petition. When your conversions are low, just like you can imagine a store making changes to their layout or merch, you can make changes to the elements in your website. This way, your visitors feel more comfortable spending money and more people convert. And that is basically what conversion rate optimization is. Conversion rate optimization is the process of optimizing your overall website design to raise your conversion rate. In other words, the goal is for the highest possible percentage of visitors on your site to convert. Before we dive into the world of CRO and all that it has to offer, let's understand the basics. Site goals. Conversions are visitors taking a desired action, and these desired actions are called site goals. Site goals are website actions that align with the overall business objectives of the company. For instance, for a website like Amazon that sells products, an obvious site goal would be the sale of one of its listed products. A sale is a primary site goal in this case. However, there are other actions the visitor can take on your website which may eventually lead to a sale, like signing up for an email list or downloading an ebook. This is a secondary site goal because it doesn't directly result in a sale, but it helps you promote the product at a later date. Micros and macros. When a visitor achieves a primary site goal, it's called a macro conversion. And when they achieve a secondary site goal, it's called a micro conversion. Let's consider Amazon again. A sale, which is the primary goal of Amazon, is considered a macro conversion. On the other hand, if the visitor doesn't make the purchase but chooses to add a product to a wish list, which is the secondary goal in this case, then this is considered as a micro conversion. Keep in mind that the achievement of the secondary goal or micro conversions is also really important because even if your visitor is not ready for a macro conversion right now, they might be in the future. And that's why conversion rate optimization involves optimizing your website for both macro and micro conversions. Is there a checklist of items that every website can do to optimize for conversions? The answer is no. Every website is different with different objectives. Amazon sells products. A magazine company might sell subscriptions. The buying behavior will differ. So figure out your business objectives and identify your unique site goals. There are lots of ways in which employing CRO techniques will positively impact your website and your business. Understanding your audience. As you optimize your website to see what works and what doesn't, aside from increasing the number of conversions, you also gain valuable insight about your visitors, like their behavioral patterns. What do they like? What don't they like? What do they most engage with? And more. Acquisition of new customers. Once you understand your key audience, you can attract them better by using relevant content, which will increase the number of your website visitors who are then more likely to convert. Identify blockers to conversion. CRO techniques takes the guesswork out of design, development, and content decisions. While websites are designed with the best intentions in mind, these intentions are not always communicated effectively and could send the wrong message to the users. This could well mean the difference between a conversion and a drop-off. CRO identifies these spots with actual data and helps you find a solution. Focus on existing customers. Turn your one-time audience into repeat customers by giving them a customized and an engaging platform. Identify the drop-off points and enhance the experience there. Even the smallest tweak to an existing element on your website can have a significant impact, and thus is an excellent way to maximize conversions. What are the typical barriers for conversion? There could be any number of reasons why someone chooses not to convert on a website. Lack of trust. Increase in the number of fraudulent websites has caused customers to be wary of them. Consider the psyche of someone shopping online and evaluate your website from their perspective. Does it convey trustworthiness? Are there reviews from other customers on your website? How do they know you're not out to con them? Address these questions with adequate communication and a transparent security policy. Poor communication. Make sure all the information about your product or your service and your company is easily available and understandable. For instance, while purchasing a physical product, most customers would like to know the shipping policy in place. Is shipping extra? What countries are serviced? And so on. Leaving out this information would most likely result in a missed conversion, so get that in check. Bad design or UX. Have a responsive website design that looks neat and seamless on both desktop computers as well as mobile devices. Not having so can create a frustrating experience for the users and result in loss of conversions. Similarly, offering a poor user experience can affect website performance. Make sure the buying process is as crystal clear as possible for the user with minimum distractions. I'm sure you're already brimming with CRO ideas that you want to try on your website. Let me know some of your ideas by commenting on this video. In the next video, we will talk about how to measure conversion rate, building a conversion rate optimization plan, and best practices in CRO. Hey there, if you like our video, give us a thumbs up. To watch more videos on marketing basics, subscribe to our channel. The next chapter in this course will be available in Freshworks Academy. So make sure to enroll using the link below. Until next time, bye and happy optimizing.